Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Taster Bakings. On today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make this delicious samosa filling and how I put the filling into my samosa sheets to make it a complete samosa. So let's go straight and you will see how I did this. First and foremost, you should always start with your preparation. So I cut my cabbage, and grated my carrots, and diced my garlic cloves, so here's the highlight of everything we need: our carrots, the minced meat, the garlic cloves diced, and then our sliced cabbage. Put your pot onto the stove and add little amount of oil like I did here. Then you proceed by adding your garlic, your diced garlic. Then next you add your meat. Fry your meat until you see it completely peel. Then proceed to add your pepper, your curry powder, seasoning, salt. Give it a stir and add your water. Add enough water to cook your meat. It shouldn't be too much, but it should just be enough, just at the same level as the meat, as you see me do here. Let it cook for some minutes, and once you see the water is a bit dried, this is the time to check if your meat is cooked. You can taste your meat by taking a big lump of meat and tasting it. If it's soft, then it's ready. You move by adding your cabbage and carrots. Give it a stir and let it cook. The cabbage and carrots needs to be cooked also. Once the water is dried, then your samosa filling is ready. Do make sure the water is absolutely dried. This is how your samosa filling will look like when you're done. Do not forget to check the description box below for full recipe and a bit of tips that I give each time I upload my videos. So do please check that, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. To make your samosa sheet gum, add your flour and water into a bowl. Give it a quick stir until it's smooth and the texture is like this, not too runny and not too thick. Proceed to bring in your samosa sheet. I made this samosa sheet some hours ago and it's still moist because I packaged it well. If you want a video or a recipe on how to make this sheet, I will leave a link at the end of this video, so do check that out. So I'm just going to show you how you will fill your samosa filling into a samosa sheet, and just like you see right here, this is exactly how you do it. This is the easiest way for me. There's another method, but I find that so difficult, so I always go with this. This is so easy for me. It's fast and I enjoy making my samosa this way. Do not put too much in there, just put enough for the sheet size. Yep, this is it. I hope you understood clearly how I wrapped my samosa sheets. Please do leave comments down below for more details. If there's something you don't understand here, please do ask me on the comments down below. And you can also comment if you made this recipe and you enjoyed it. After this, the next thing you do is fry, and voila, it's fried already. Magic. This is what your samosa will look like at the end. It looks pretty and it's crunchy. Just like I said, the samosa sheets will give you a crunchy samosa. Wow. And again, we have reached the end of today's video with this. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.